Hi, and welcome to our channel, dedicated to helping you navigate the legal system with confidence. I'm Hieu, and today we're exploring the critical topic for many in Orange County and beyond, early termination of probation. This can be a game changer for a lot of people with a criminal record, opening doors that were once closed. Let's dive into our comprehensive 7-step guide to help you understand and successfully petition for early termination. Why early termination can change your life. Many times when we are on probation, it's a hindrance because we have a conviction on our record. When we have a conviction on our record and fill out job applications, it creates problems, especially if you're in an existing job and you want to transfer to another location. On top of that, other things can happen if you wanted to get an entry-level job. These convictions can slow you down in your job application. The first step towards early termination. When you are trying to get the court to exercise the discretion to terminate your probation, I want to say nothing else than, hey, just because you ask for it, the court is going to grant it for you, right? That's not the case. You have to put together a package. And part of this package is getting a lot of references and people who will vouch for you. Not just your friends and family, but also your professional colleagues and co-workers as well. And these letters have to be impactful as well. They can't just say, Joe Schmo is a good person, I like him. It has to spell out who you are and acknowledge the fact that you made a mistake and that they're aware of it. But regardless of that, they still think that you're deserving of relief. Meeting your probation requirements. Another thing that you have to have down is completing all the probation conditions like paying your fines and attending all required programs before filing for termination. You do not know how many times that people have gone up to me and say, hey, I want to terminate my probation and also I want to expunge my record, but they have not paid their fines. If this is the case, save your money, go pay your fines, complete your community service, and then you can entertain terminating probation. Because if you went forward with it anyways, you will be just wasting your money. Step 4. Down there in the description, I'll give you a link that lets you get your rap sheet. The rap sheet details all your incidences with law enforcement along with case numbers and conviction to hire an attorney or not. There are pros and cons to hiring an attorney to do this for you versus self-representation for early termination of probation. If you hire an attorney, they know what to do. They're familiar with the local court process. And on top of that, you have a higher degree of success. The cons of it is that you will have to pay for hiring an attorney. The attorneys do not work for free and you will be charged. These are things to think about. Not everybody has the same financial situation, so only you know best in this case. Navigating the paperwork. The paperwork is below. There'll be instructions on how to fill it out. It's pretty self-explanatory. After you fill them out, then you have to secure a date for your hearing. This can be done one of two ways, and it depends on your courthouse. You can write it in yourself and then go file it, or the second one is you go to the clerk and then you ask the clerk what dates they're setting these at. If you are unfamiliar, I would suggest that you go to the clerk and ask, because then the court clerk will also know which room it's at as well. What to expect at the hearing. When you have your court hearing for a termination of probation, it's going to be about equity. The district attorney will argue that a deal is a deal. You agreed to it, and you're going to say, equity, you've been a good person, and also you have all these people vouching for you. This is the pivotal moment, and this is what happens during the hearing. You got to prepare and explain and be ready to tell the judge why is it that you should get some kind of leeway. This could be that you've done more than your fair share of probation, or you went more beyond, or you went above and beyond. Early termination of probation can be a crucial step towards reclaiming control of your life. Remember, each step in this process brings you closer to a future where your past doesn't define you. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to contact a professional for guidance. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have questions, leave a comment down there below, or you can reach out to our office or use the make an appointment button. Thank you for watching.